Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we put the pro in product comparisons. Today, we're diving into the sky-high world of drones. On one side, we have the SYMA drone, and on the other, its arch-nemesis, the Heygelo S90 drone. It's gonna be a drone showdown of epic proportions. Buckle up because we're about to take off. Let's start with the first thing that makes your wallet cry: the price. The SYMA drone is a cool $99, which probably means you'll have to skip your avocado toast for a week. On the other hand, the Heygelo S90 comes in at a budget-friendly $59. With that extra $40, you could buy, well, another Heygelo S90. Or, a lifetime supply of ramen noodles. Now, let's talk about the thing that'll make you the next Instagram sensation: the camera. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera. SYMA promises stable and clearer views with its FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. Reviewers have praised its great camera quality, making it perfect for capturing stunning visuals. Meanwhile, Heygelo S90 also offers a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. But it doesn't just stop there. It's got more stunts up its sleeve than a magician at a kid's birthday party. 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotations? This drone is basically Tony Hawk with propellers. However, some reviewers noted that the camera quality might be mediocre. But overall, it's still a fun and affordable option. Speaking of staying in the air, let's compare flight times. SYMA boasts an impressive 40 minutes with its two powerful batteries. That's like 40 minutes of you being the coolest person at the park. Reviewers have appreciated the extended flying time, which is great for both beginners and advanced users. Heygelo S90, on the other hand, offers up to 26 minutes of flight time. Not bad, but it's like comparing a marathon runner to someone who just discovered jogging. Reviewers found the battery life to be decent and appreciated the inclusion of two batteries for extended flying. Now, if you're a beginner or just a klutz, user-friendliness is key. SYMA comes with headless mode, altitude mode, and a one-key to takeoff/land function. It's so easy, even your grandma could fly it. Perfect for kids and beginners. Reviewers have noted that it's easy to fly and highly recommend it for those new to drones. Heygelo S90 doesn't disappoint either. It's got altitude hold, one-key start, land, and 3 speeds. Plus, it's foldable, so you can take it anywhere, even if you're just going to the backyard to avoid socializing. Propeller guards mean fewer tears when you inevitably crash it into a tree. Reviewers have found it beginner-friendly with a smooth learning curve. Now, let's talk about the bells and whistles. SYMA has advanced optical flow positioning, making it hover like a pro ballerina. And it's got an app with flight path mode. Draw a route on your phone and watch it go like a dog chasing its tail. Reviewers love the advanced features that make it a great entry-level drone. Heygelo S90, not to be outdone, comes with voice control, gravity control, and even gesture photo taking. It's like having a drone that's also your personal assistant. And don't forget the VR mode for that first-person view. Who needs reality when you've got virtual reality? Reviewers have appreciated the fun features, although some have noted issues with the app. Overall, reviewers have found the SYMA drone to be an excellent choice for beginners and those looking for a user-friendly, feature-packed option. Its stable camera quality and extended flight time are major highlights. On the other hand, the Heygelo S90 drone is praised for its budget-friendly price, fun features, and decent battery life, making it a great entry-level drone despite some minor drawbacks. So there you have it, folks. SYMA drone versus Heygelo S90 drone. Both have their strengths, and both are ready to take your drone game to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, There's something here for everyone. Remember, if you liked this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our epic product battles. Drop a comment below on which drone you think is the true king of the skies and why. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.